Ooh, darkness. Hi. So, what up? I am outside my house. It is dark because it is nighttime. It is like 8 something. It's the Wednesday before Easter. We're about to get a storm. I don't know if you can see all gotta love it. Nature, man. It's beautiful. God's beauty. Right there. Beauty and fury. And fury! Right there! What are you picking up, dude? You're always getting into something. Doesn't matter what it is. Yeah! Alright, well, figured I'd say hi. I know it's been a while, people. We've had a lot going on. But you'll be seeing me again. Soon. Promise. Alright. Bye.